Bonjour, Dinaway Magani Duke. Greetings, my relatives. Mikizik Wiwizants and Dishinikas. My name is Eagle Boy. Makwa and Dame. Bear is my clan. Mikinak Wadju and Ishinabe Shkuniganing and Onji. I'm from the Turtle Mountain Chippewa Reservation. Kiwi Tapachimo Tunanim ka Tapachimo Tawit Nimishu Misipan. I want to tell you a story that my late grandfather told me. Aaniin ka Onji Gagaanootawaged Waabooz. How that rabbit got long ears. Izani go meweja. Kawin apenegi Gagaanootawagesipan Waabooz. Apparently long ago, that rabbit didn't always have long ears. Ayagasit tawagegoban. It was said that he had small ears. And godinge go mikizi on the Wenji gate onuji an inu Waboozun. One time when Eagle was hunting, she hunted for that rabbit. Beijig ogi de bibinan. Majinat o wasa swanning. She grabbed one and took him to her nest. Mi ima bagish we benat. We ashamat o bibi ainsaman. There she dropped them off, wanting to feed her babies. Mi dashka ani machi sait. And then she flew away. Ogi kichi wisa kenta mi ego inyo mikisinsa. He was really getting hurt by those little eagles. Bachishka ugut o kunjiwa. They were pecking him with their beaks. Anishna gate zitche gekopaneno Waabooz. What was that rabbit to do? Mi dash me cuenta me set, gate zitche gate. And then it came to him what he was to do. Ogi pashko bena. Mekisinsa omi guaniwa. He plucked those little eagle's feathers. Ei tawi ninj ogi takuna. He held one in each hand. Mi dashkaishi Onji guashquanet was a swanning. And then he jumps from the nest. Weweni, ni sipisut, bunit mitakamig. Gently gliding down to land on the ground. Mi dashkaishi machipatut tawi gaso tinguchi. And then he took off running to hide somewhere. Wimbategung tashi gasot. He hid in a hollow log. Mitashima pagone yategung unda kiteniwan otawagan. But there, through a hole in the log, his ear stuck out. Megwago mikisi piki wait. In the meantime, Eagle comes home. Waabamato bibiinsama wisagenta minute. When she sees her baby's hurtin', Anishna kichinishkadizit. Of course she gets very angry. On the Waabamato Waabooz, she goes looks for that rabbit. Baba mashit, soaring around. Ogi mikwa bandana nil otawagan. She spots those ears, undakidenik, baguneyatagung, sticking out of that hole in the log. Misago eshi de bibidut, otawagan. So she grabbed those ears, any gokego we kobidut, and pulls on him as hard as she could. Gagwe gichipinat Waabooz, trying to pull out that rabbit. Ani wikopidut otawagan, as she's pulling on those ears, Ani ginwanig, they get longer. O she be gibidunan otawagan, she stretches out his ears. Gegapitash ayekuzit. But eventually she gets tired. But gichitat, Animachi said. She gives up and flies away. Waabooz naganin ginwane gotawagan. A rabbit is left with long ears. Misago nungum kiabi eshinakuzit. And today that's still how he looks. Misago nungum and daso on the winchikaten migizi. And so today, every time the eagle goes hunting, on the wabandang inilginwane gotawagan, she looks for those long ears. Mi eshe mikowa tenil Waabooz. That's how she finds that rabbit. Miga Onji Gagaanootawaged away Waabooz. That's how that rabbit got long ears. The end.